Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Bhavna Shankari. I am Bhavna Shankari. Today let us discuss laws of magnetism. So in the previous videos we have discussed about the different shapes of magnet that we use and also the properties of the magnet. So two properties we have discussed. Today, let us know the laws of magnetism by the activity. Welcome once again. Let us do the activity. You can see a bar magnet, and this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. North Pole is indicated by red mark and South is indicated by blue mark. Normally, in magnets, the North Pole will be indicated by red mark. And one more magnet I have, this is horseshoe magnet, and this is the North Pole, this is the South Pole. Now what I do is I'll bring the North Pole of this horseshoe magnet near to the North Pole of this bar magnet. So if you observe, they are getting repelled. One magnet will push the other. One North Pole will push the other North Pole so that it is moving away. I repeat, see, it is moving away. North Pole of the bar magnet and the horseshoe magnet, they are moving away. So that means they have some repulsion there. Now I'll bring the North Pole of this bar magnet near to the South Pole of this horseshoe magnet. Let us see what happens. See, if I bring the North Pole near to the South Pole, they are getting attracted. In the same way, bring the North Pole of the horseshoe magnet to the South Pole of the bar magnet. So you can see the attraction. They are getting attracted. So what we can conclude, North and North Pole are repelled and South and South Poles. Two South Poles getting repelled and always the North Pole and South Pole are getting attracted. The two North Poles are called as like poles and two South Poles are called as like poles, and North Pole and South Pole are called as unlike poles. By the activity we can conclude the laws of magnetism. The like poles repel, that is the first law, and unlike poles attract. So these are the laws of magnetism. I hope you understood the topic, you like it, the activity. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Please like the videos, comment my videos and share the videos with your friends and family. Thank you.